Let's take a couple of moments and we're going to check out the equalizer settings built into your Pioneer DEH-S1000UB. So you have this big EQ button right here, and if we press the EQ button, we can switch between the equalizer settings. So we have the flat setting, super bass, powerful setting, natural, vocal setting, then we have custom number 1 and custom number 2 available to us. So just by pressing the button, you can switch between those EQ presets, but we can customize things as well. So the other way that you can get to your EQ presets and to customize things is to press in on the volume control when you're on any source. We're on the AM/FM radio source here. We're going to roll along until we find the audio menu. Here's audio, and we'll press enter. And let's roll along here until we find the EQ settings. So we'll press enter there. This takes us to those same presets: super bass, powerful, natural, vocal, and we have custom number 1 and we have custom number 2. So 2 different custom settings that we can use. So in order to access the settings on custom 1, press in on the volume control, and we have a 5-band equalizer to work with. This is 80 Hertz, 250 Hertz, 800 Hertz, 2.5 kilohertz, and 8 kilohertz. Roll it over one more time, you go back around to the original 80 Hertz setting. And so at the 80 Hertz setting, if I want to adjust that a little higher or a little lower, we can do that. So we're at 0 right now. We can boost that up a little to +6, or we can roll it back down to -6. There we go. So plus or minus 6 on each of these settings. There's the 80 Hertz setting. Let's roll over to 250 Hertz. Press in on the volume control. We'll boost that up a little. Press in on the volume control and change the frequency to 800. Press in on the volume control. We'll push this one down a little. Press in on the volume control. That takes us over to the next one, 2.5 kilohertz. And we can boost that up a little. And one more time, we'll change the frequency to 8 kilohertz. Press in and we'll roll that back a little. So you can make each of those adjustments up or down however you like. And if we go back now, you can see we're on custom setting number 1, and we have a custom setting for each available source. So you have a custom setting 1 is available for the CD, USB, auxiliary, and AM/FM. Each has its own custom 1 setting. If I roll over to custom number 2, now I have the exact same settings available to me in custom number 2. So I have 80, 250, 800, 2.5, and 8K, and the same plus or minus 6 for each of those settings. But custom number 2 is a group setting, so all sources will see the same setting on custom number 2. So we'll make a small adjustment here to custom number 2. And I'm going to press go back. So here are our settings again. We have the flat setting, super bass, powerful, natural, vocal, custom 1, and custom 2. And to select any of those, just press the volume control, and then you can press the escape button to go back.